Singsang Taytay Leho. My name is Semi Plamo, age 33 years old. I am from Parai, Dupas del Norte, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am married. I have one son, age 11 years old, three daughters, ages 14, 7, 2 years old. My highest educational attainment, high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and I'm a pet lover. I have one dog and one cat. My expertise are childcare and elderly care. I work as housemaid in Philippines for 3 years from August 10, 2014 to August 10, 2017. I serve one couple and one child aged 3 years old. My duties are taking care of children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them high, softly and bright. Knock them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking, honest, and obedient. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir. Looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.